So let me show you how to add a page border to your Google Docs document. Now this could be because you want to create a cover page for your document or for whatever other reason. Now, what you need to do is place your mouse cursor on that page, preferably at the beginning of the page like that. And then you want to go to the menu at the top and click on Insert. And then under Insert, go to Drawing and then click on New. Now that's going to bring up this drawing pop-up window. So here, come here to Shapes, click on that, and then go to Shapes and select the shape you want for your border. Now this normally will be a rectangle like this, but of course you have other options. For instance, you have this rectangle with rounded corners, and then you have this rectangle with a single corner, a snipped corner. So whatever design you use, that's up to you. I'm going to select this regular rectangle. Once you select it, you can now draw it with your mouse like that. Okay. Now this is just a sample. So once you do that, you want to do a few things or a few modifications. Number one is to make it transparent. So you come here to the fill color menu, click on that, and then select transparent. And now you can see it's transparent. And then you can edit a few other things like the border color. Let's say you want it in brown. So just click on the color. It's going to be brown. And then you can also change the thickness by selecting the this option here called border weight. Sorry. Click on that and then choose a weight. Weight is basically just thickness. So you can see our border is already starting to take shape. Okay. Now there are a couple of other things you can do. For instance, you can have a dotted line for your border. You can have lines like this. I'm just going to go for a solid line. So now that everything looks ready, just click on Save and Close. And now you can see our border is on the page, but it's not looking quite right. Okay, so what you want to do is select that border, and there's going to be a little menu at the bottom there. So you want to go to the right side of that menu, click on the three dots, and then select all image options. And then you're going to get these image options on the right hand side. So from here, what you need to do is click on text wrapping, and then under text wrapping, you should see the option in front of text. So we basically want to put this transparent rectangle in front of the text. So click on that, and then it's going to come in front of the text. And once it does that, you can now start positioning and resizing it to occupy the entire page, of course based on your page borders. And then you can drag it like that for this specific page to the point where you want it to sit, just like that. Okay, so you can see how nice it looks as a page border. You can let's go to the text inside there. And then you also want to come to the bottom here, back to that menu, and then from this option, select Fix Position on Page. Okay, so that it stops moving with the text. So now when you move your border, it moves without moving the text. All right, so let's drag it up there just like that. Okay, so now you have a page border in your Google Docs document. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.